Hi, I'm Kylie Jenner, and this is my lovely mother,
Kris Jenner.
And we are in my game/bar room. Each of my homes have been very different, but also the same in the sense that they're all kind of young and dark. But with this home, I wanted to go to the next level of fun and color and just pretty much an expression of myself.
Do you have one piece of furniture from your first house in this house?
Nope.
That's
just
a
my,
no.
Just my favorite pillows. The must-haves in a glam room are number one, variety of Kylie lip kits, great lighting.
Good chair helps.
A good, comfortable chair. You actually helped me find a good chair.
Yeah.
I need a couch in there for when my glam comes.
Fun fact, Kylie put a lock on her glam room door, and I went in there one time and I couldn't get out.
Mm-hmm.
She locked me in.
I put a lock on my glam room, yes. If you go and you close the door, no one can get into my house. My favorite room in my house is my bedroom. But the rooms that I spend the most time in are the glam room and my office for my Kylie Cosmetic meetings. They go on for like 5 to 8 hours.
I think my favorite room in Kylie's house is your family room. Because it's got the coziness and the colors I love. The fireplace is incredible, and the big screen TV, and it's attached to the most important room in the house, which is the kitchen. I love that room.
Thanks.
I love her Damien Hirst. The one with the butterflies, the one with Mickey is fantastic. And I love her swing. Oh my gosh, the swing in the family room is amazing. The one you hijacked from Kim and Kanye.
Mm-hmm. I would never buy a house with a lot of windows.
That's interesting.
Like, you know, modern homes with just windows all over the house. That makes me uncomfortable.
That would be like living in a fishbowl.
That's my point.
I would never buy a house without a fireplace. Fireplaces are really important to me. Even if it's like 80 degrees outside.
Yeah.
At 5 o'clock, the music goes on, the candles get lit, there might be a martini somewhere, and the fireplaces are on. I would never buy a house that was on stilts. You know when you see those houses
That's a
on
good one.
stilts?
That's a good one. I would never buy a house on stilts.
No,
right
just
on a mountain.
waiting for an earthquake. I think Kylie's design style is extremely mature. Your level of taste and your understanding of art and furniture and design is at a level that most people your age have no idea. I get excited just to see what's next with you because of your creativity and your imagination, and the way you design your house is very similar to the way that you run your business, which is kind of perfect.
Thanks.
The things that we're similar in and the things that I might have passed down to Kylie are some of the cozier rooms and just the comfort of fireplaces and making an amazing kitchen, and just the way that we both like to entertain is really important to both of us, and I think we have that in common. Kylie loves a good party and she's a great hostess, so that's important to both of us, I think, don't you? I really am so proud of all of my kids, because you never know when your children get older what their lives are going to be like, or how they want to live in their home, and what that home might even be like, and doing it in a style that's all your own, and being able to have that responsibility.
Definitely
and
having
creativity.
a beautiful home. It really organized and put together. How much a home can change when the music and the candles and the fireplace are on like you always do. And holidays were the best. Every Easter morning I still get Easter baskets from you.
It's fun though. It's fun to create those moments, and those memories are so amazing.
It is very fun, and that's definitely what I will pass on to my little Stormy.
I can see that. I'm so proud of you.
Well, thank you guys for coming to my house. Thanks, Mom, for coming over. And
thanks for having us, Kylie.
But you guys probably should get going because I do have a dinner party tonight.
Okay.
But
I'm outta
love you
here.
guys.